everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Jiangsu ICEMA Refrigeration Equipment Company. And next, let's visit our office.
ICEMA mainly produce ice machines, water chillers, condensing units, and also supporting cold storage, refrigerator, bar, and other full-line products.
And here are some of our patents and certificates.
This is our refrigerator. It mainly used in restaurants, hotels, cold drinks shop.
Now let's visit our workshop. And behind of me, this is our evaporator. Now we can see this is our pipeline welding process. And here is our welding process. And this is weld chamfer. On my left side, this is our 15 tons tube ice machine finished product. And behind of me, this is our 2 tons tube ice machine. Let's take a closer look at them. And here is our finished product warehouse, and we are going to deliver them to Philippines today. Each of our machine will be inspected before the delivery.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.